Well, happy Monday, East Texas. Outside now, lots of clouds across the area with some sunshine peeking through, but the potential of strong to severe thunderstorms is the big concern for us as we go throughout the second half of our Memorial Day. We're already at the big 80-degree mark here across the area with those southerly winds. That's also pumping in plenty of humidity and moisture. Look at that dew point at 70. Sign the atmosphere is very juiced up and just ready for showers and thunderstorms to form across the region. We're in the upper 70s to 80s across all of the area. Look at Lufkin right now at 85 degrees, so a very unstable atmosphere is out there with lots of moisture, and that's going to lead to the potential of strong to severe thunderstorms, I think, as we head into the afternoon and evening hours, and it could be fairly widespread, so we'll have to watch this closely. Visible satellite picture showing us, yeah, we've got some clouds continuing to stream in, but notice the sunshine is peeking through the clouds. So right now, things are not bad out there. We'll take a look at Storm Tracker live Doppler radar as well in East Texas. No problems here locally, just a few spotty showers trying to develop well to our west. But as we expand the view out, there's a lot more where that came from. In fact, all these counties here out to the west under some advisories and warnings, and you can see a bowing line of storms here across western portions of Texas here and also stretching into central Texas. Some bigger storms now developing to the southwest of Waco and moving to the northeast as well. In fact, we can put the storm tracker on here and estimate that time of arrival across the area as these make their way from West Texas all the way into East Texas here. And estimation of about 193 miles away, so if you track that out, moving at about 30, 35 miles per hour, it puts it in East Texas around the next 5.5 hours or so. So that would put it around 4 to 5 o'clock. This line of storms making their way in East Texas. So we're going to have to watch this for you very closely here and track these storms as we go throughout the afternoon hours. Already seeing lots of watches and advisories to our west. Again, all these counties shaded here in the oranges/red color. That's a tornado watch. The bottom part of this is out till 4 o'clock. The northern part around Dallas is out until 6 o'clock. And then, of course, we've got a dwindling severe thunderstorm watch out near San Angelo. Here's the big setup, what's causing all the severe weather today. We've got this low pressure that's kind of swirling over the state of Colorado now. That's going to be heading off towards the north and east. But as it does so, it's going to pick up plenty of Pacific Ocean moisture here for us, clashing with that Gulf of Mexico moisture, which creates the very warm and humid conditions right across East Texas, and that's going to lead to more showers and thunderstorms. Again, some strong to severe as we go into the late afternoon and evening hours. So let's kind of break down the timing a little better for you. Again, out there now, just some clouds and some sunshine mix. Not bad. But here we go. Around 4 o'clock, I think we'll start to see these storms approaching from the west. And between 4 and 6 o'clock, expect showers and storms, some strong to severe, to start pushing through portions of East Texas. And we'll see more showers and storms continuing to kind of regenerate itself. So heavy rain will be a big problem as well right on through the evening hours. And then even at midnight, we're still watching the tail end of this making its way through East Texas, deep East Texas. And we're still looking at spotty showers and storms even as late as early tomorrow morning. So the Storm Prediction Center has issued for most northern half of East Texas, in fact, a little farther towards the south, down to near Lufkin actually now, in that moderate risk for severe weather with an enhanced risk for everyone else. So that's a 3 or 4 out of 5 scale for strong to severe thunderstorms. And I think all modes of severe weather are in play today with damaging winds and large hail in the extreme category with, look at that, the fact that tornadoes also in the moderate category and flash flooding, I think, will be a big deal as we go into the evening hours because we could see anywhere between 1 to 3 additional inches of rainfall on top of what we've already experienced out there. So all the counties here in East Texas under a flash flood watch from now through Tuesday morning for an additional 1 to 3 inches of rainfall with some isolated higher totals. So the rest of your Memorial Day, again, it's been dry and nice so far, but by later this afternoon, we're going to be tracking the potential of strong to severe thunderstorms across the area. So keep that in mind. Strong to severe thunderstorms, a big threat. Your 7-day forecast showing the main time frame between about 4 p.m. and 9 p.m. tonight. So we'll continue to watch that. Just a few pop-up showers for the rest of the work week before a stronger system moves in, bringing us heavier rainfall for this upcoming weekend once again. But again, today, a Storm Tracker weather alert day. So make sure you have a source of weather information. Stay weather aware throughout the day.
All right. Thank you so much for that update, Cedric. Well, good.